My name is Jacob Willenborg with the Duran Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and today I'm going to take you around Panama City Beach Entertainment District of Pier Park. Pier Park offers over 1 million square feet of restaurant, shopping, and entertainment, serving over 10 million visitors a year. Pier Park being the main entertainment district in Panama City Beach, condos in and around this area typically do very well with rentals because of the short walking distance. My favorite place here in Pier Park is Tootsie's. If you love country music just as much as me, you need to make sure you add this to your stop next time you're here. If you have any other questions about Pier Park or Panama City Beach, feel free to reach out to me.